You'll only see this video if you're on the timeline to never working again. So if you felt stuck in a career that you're not super passionate about and you just can't imagine the thought of having to do this until retirement, then know that this is not forever. The truth is, keep working hard and someday you'll retire happy is the worst advice ever given. The people who finally escape do something radically different. And the fact that you stumbled upon this video shows that you will be one of them if you follow this advice that I'm going to share with you today. If you don't do anything about it, you'll lose your prime years and keep trading time for money forever, watching life pass you by. And when you flip this switch, you get time freedom and your best years back. My dream was always to get a job at Google. And eventually I did, but I was just as miserable. That's when I realized trading hours for dollars is the trap nobody talks about. Wealth and freedom comes from changing your beliefs and building systems, not working harder. And when I started implementing what I will share with you today, I no longer needed a job. I haven't had a job in over 8 years. There are 3 steps to achieve this. And the first is you got to shift your mindset to abundance. And I know that this sounds very woo-woo, but if you believe that you have to have a job to have financial stability, then that will be the reality for you. And if you believe that abundance doesn't come easy to you, that money doesn't grow on trees, if you have any type of abundance blocks, then the next steps won't work for you. So start noticing and journaling how abundant you are each day. That you could afford the nice cup of coffee you had this morning. If you get a gift, if you get a promotion, if you have a roof over your head, write down and be grateful for that abundance and claim in the comments, abundance flows to me. And the second step that the universe wants you to know if you want to never work again is that you need to build systems. We've been so conditioned in society that getting rich, getting money is all about just hustling and working hard. But that is a very 3D way of thinking. The truth is, you don't get wealthy by working more. You get wealthy by making money work for you. So you gotta stop trading your time for money. My friend is a doctor and she is so burned out. She started to get gray hair when she was in her 20s because it was so stressful. And she's recently started a business and she just made her first ebook sale. And she was crying of happiness. Because that was the first time she realized, actually, I don't have to keep trading my time for money, burning out, being exhausted every time I come back from work. So brainstorm with yourself your favorite way that you can make passive income. For me, that is creating YouTube videos. When you do that, you get money from YouTube. When you become monetized, you need a certain amount of subscribers and view count. YouTube updates this all the time. But if you upload consistently, you will very soon get there. Another fun way is to sell online courses. So create a course about something that you know, something that you can teach other people. For example, if you're a great cook, you can make a cooking online course. And then the best way to bring traffic to that is through something like YouTube or social media. Or if you don't want to create a course, you could do affiliate marketing. So any product that you recommend, join their affiliate program. And then once somebody clicks on your affiliate links and buys, then you get a commission of that sale. I still make money from videos that I created 5 years ago. That's the power of passive income. I can take months off work and still get income coming in. You can't do that with 9-to-5 jobs. And if it feels overwhelming on how to get views on YouTube, how to create affiliate links, online courses, then I would love to have you in my Nomad Freedom Academy. You can book a free clarity call, link in the description if you want to work with me. And if you join us, you also get one-on-one coaching with me, and I would be so honored to help you on your purpose journey. Step 3. And this is where many people give up. And that is what I call messy action. What was really holding me back in the beginning when I wanted to stop having jobs, I wanted to create passive income, was that I was such a perfectionist. So I kept tweaking the fonts, tweaking my brand colors, but I was never launching anything. I was not posting consistently because I was so scared that it wasn't good enough. So you gotta post. You gotta create courses, products, even when it doesn't feel 100% perfect. And then in the beginning, you're gonna have crickets, as in you will make posts that nobody sees or just like your mom liked. So instead of celebrating achievements like a viral post, a YouTube award, you want to instead celebrate actually posting consistently, because that's something you can actually control. For example, this month I posted 8 YouTube videos. Celebrate that. Now, how do you actually take messy action in this case? Well, watch my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Link in the description or somewhere around this video. Love you and see you next time.